How to fix ban on TikTok Live. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, open TikTok, which can be downloaded through App Store. Then you want to go to your profile. Here, you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. You want to scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. As you do that, you'll enter to the screen where you want to scroll down to the topics and ignore everything else, and you want to tap on Live. Then here you want to tap on Live Suspended, which is the very first option right there. When you reach this page, you don't have to do anything else because this is not relevant, so you just want to tap on No. Then after you reach to this page, you want to tap on Need More Help. Then you will reach to this page where you want to type for help to the TikTok. Now as I'm writing, I want my TikTok live back because I got banned for absolutely no reason. You can type it on your own words, and after you're done typing, you want to tap on Submit. Now the TikTok will be responding to your report, and as soon as possible, TikTok will solve your problem. That is how you can fix banned on TikTok Live. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.